What exactly is hemp fabric and why is everybody talking about it? Few years ago, hardly anyone was talking about hemp clothing. But today, it's becoming one of the most talked fabric about premium menswear. So what changed? Why brands like Eccentric are choosing fabric called hemp? What's interesting part, hemp is nothing new. It is one of the oldest natural fiber known to mankind. From thousands of years, people were relied on hemp because it was incredibly stronger, durable, and versatile. During World War II, hemp became so important that government actively encouraged for its cultivation. US even launched a campaign called Hemp for Victory, urging farmers to grow hemp because it was essential part of ropes, canvas, uniforms, and naval equipments. So why did the fabric with this kind of history just disappeared from fashion? As industry evolved, the focus shifted to produce clothes faster and cheaper. Synthetic fiber became more common. Trends started changing very rapidly, and clothing became something that we used to replace more than anything else. But today the mindsets are again changing. People are just not asking what's looking good. In fact, people are asking, does it feel good? They're actually enjoying what they're wearing. And that's exactly what brought us to hemp. First thing you'll notice when you reach out to hemp is how breathable the fabric is. And in country like India where comfort matters as much as style, a fabric that allows airflow naturally makes a huge difference. But let me tell you, breathability is only part of a story. Hemp is one of the strongest natural fiber used in clothing. That means garment are designed to wear every day and maintain its quality also. With every wash and every wear, hemp becomes more softer and softer and softer while retaining its natural strength. Instead of wearing out, it revolves, and that's a very rare quality. And that's one other reason we believe in hemp. Compared to many other conventional fiber crops, which makes it more thoughtful for material choices. For us, it's not about following any other sustainability trend. It's about making a right choice in the very beginning. When we started Eccentric, we were not searching for next fashionable fabric. We were searching for the right one, a fabric that can handle every day. The more we learnt about hemp, the more our decision became clear. And that's why hemp sits at the heart of everything that we create. Not because it's different, because we genuinely believe that hemp makes everyday clothing better. Fashion trend will always come and go, but great fabric never goes out of style. If you have enjoyed this video, subscribe to Eccentric. Every week we'll explore something in fabric, craftsmanship or styling.